Today is 6th of December and it's officially my birthday today. So first let's see and first let's go behind on yesterday night and see what happened and what surprise did my family gave me. So let's go and see it. This is the preparation. How do you feel, Sarah?
Very excited.
And shall you?
I'm super duper excited.
Me too.
Chocolate.
So as you have seen that it was a really surprise for me and my family members gave like both my mama, papa and Shaurya did a really big thing for me which was very nice and I'm really happy. So first let's go get ready and we have to leave. We are going to explore Gurgaon because we can't do much as you all know that it's lockdown, not lockdown basically, but yeah, it's COVID, so I can't go and celebrate it with my friends, neither I can go and have something or the other things going on. So first let's go. Hello everyone, so now I'm done getting ready. I'll show you my outfit once we'll reach there or once I'll get the time. So now let's go and enjoy my day. So we are at DLF Galeria Market. It's in Gurgaon and we are here to shop something and have a little more fun. So let's see what's here. let's begin with the haul. So I have bought this green top. It is for summer. It is not for summer, sorry. It is for winters, and the material of this is very soft. You can pair it with, like, you can wear it and then pair it with a jacket, or also you can put it over a top, like you can wear a plain t-shirt and on top of it you can wear this top. It looks very nice. So I'll write the price of all the things I've bought down below, so you all can go and check that out. So the second item which I bought is this yellow, I think it's mustard color top. It has zip in it, and I think you all have seen this in my birthday outfit. I wore this with my flare jeans, and it's also very comfortable. It's so stretchy, and it also has like puffed sleeve, and it gives a very nice texture to your body. It's an off shoulder, so it's a very good top, and it's also really comfortable because I wore it in my birthday, so I can really tell you that it's a very good item which I bought. So, and you can also pair it in summers also, and in winters also, if there is not very like temperature is not very cold, so you can pair it with or over it you can wear a jacket. So now let's move on to the third item. The third I bought is this grey dress. It's very beautiful. I think you all can see this, and I've not wore it till now, and it's very beautiful. It's a short dress, and in summers, like in winters, you can pair it with your stockings, and so that you don't feel cold. It's very nice. It has fur over here, and then the material is very cozy to keep you warm, and it's really nice. And you can pair it with stockings, as you told, and you can wear also your boots, so you'll get a perfect good outfit to go. And now let's begin further. Then I have the last top, then we'll move on to some accessories which I have bought. So the fourth sweater. So the last top which I got is this plain bright yellow color top. It is high neck, and it has a very cozy material like the other one which I just told you, the grey one, and it will also keep you very warm. You can pair it with your jeans, or you can also pair it with your pajamas, as in lockdown everyone is wearing it. So it's very like cozy, very comfortable, and yeah, it was a very when. So I bought these two clips. One, like, they are shiny, as you all can see them, and it's very beautiful to pair, very pretty. So you all can pin it up in your hair, and it looks very sleek also and very beautiful. Next thing which I bought are these two triangle earrings. I just wore it on my birthday, and it is also very very pretty and very simple yet elegant. It has also this print or design, as you all can see, and it's very good to pair it. The next, so I just forgot to show you this cozy sweater. It also has puffed sleeve. It is like light blue in color, and it's very comfortable. I've not worn it, but by touching I can tell you that it's very beautiful, it's very comfortable, it's very pretty, and I love this because I just love puffed sleeves. So this is also, as you can see, my other three tops are also puffed sleeves. So the next thing which I got are these two jhumkis. It has pearl, as you all can see it. There is one pearl, and it's a very beautiful jhumki, and it's very beautiful. You can pair it with an Indian attire, or you can also pair it with Western attire. It looks very elegant. The next thing which I got are again the two earrings, which are you can pair with Indian also, with Western also. You can pair with a kurta and a jeans, so it looks very elegant plus pretty. So this was it with my mini haul. So now let's go and see the most awaited thing, that is my birthday gift. So now let's begin. So as you can see, I got this Polaroid camera. The model is Instax Mini 9, and you can also take selfies. So now let's open it and see it. I was just waiting to film this video. I haven't I haven't opened this video. I haven't opened this box. So now let's move further. So as you can see, the beautiful camera. This is ice blue in color. You can take selfies from here, and you can also take like a picture. So it's very nice. And then with this, I got 3 cartridges. I think 4 cartridges. One is inside it. Then I also got some frames and some clips, so you can take a rope and then pin it. Thank you everyone for all your loving wishes. I couldn't add all the wishes, all the beautiful things you have written for me, as the video is going very long. But I genuinely thank everyone. So thank you everyone.